All right, we're going to show you what our Kaizen card is and actually put down some tape. So first of all, you got to make sure the surface is completely clean. I recommend alcohol mop. So I'm going to clean the surface here. Make sure it's clean. Then I'm going to take a piece of the tape. The cart actually has some holders back here, so it actually holds the tape for you. We have the quick peel tab on the tape, so you can easily peel the liner off the back. All right, you're going to turn around and stick that down, peel the liner off the back. Once that's done, we want to turn around and we want to tamp it, and that's what we're doing with this roller underneath here. It's called our making sure we tamp that down. You're going to go back and forth without twisting and turning. You go to minimum passes of 3, and now you're ready to open the traffic. Now, the tape, as you can see, with the beveled edge, it's going to make it stronger than normal 90-degree edge tape. Now, if a piece does get damaged, you can easily go in with a razor knife, actually cut it, and then you want to pry back up underneath it. You're going to butt splice a new piece in. You can do that during normal working hours instead of having to hire a contractor and shut your plant down. I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove now. So on the Kaizen cart, we got a scraper blade. We're going to come in, get up underneath the tape. We're going to pull at 90 degrees, straight up. And as you can see, we have good adhesion here. I'm also noticing on the back of the tape, it's nice and clean, which means my floor was clean and prepped properly. I'm going to remove that. It's coming up intact or in large pieces, which makes the maintenance of the tape much easier.